Hello, this is a demonstration video on how to upload and submit files associated with ePortfolio components in the new National Board Candidate Management System. Today I'm going to demonstrate a component that's associated with an initial certification. If you are working on renewing, maintaining an existing certification, this process is the same. I have logged into my account and the ePortfolio submission window is open, and you'll notice those components that you have purchased will have a different look, and that there will be a button associated with the component to complete your ePortfolio submission. You will want to click on that, and a page will populate showing you all of the files required for that particular component. We've also included some quick instructions step by step, which I'll be going through as I demonstrate. I do want to make a couple comments about file format, sizes, and naming conventions. There are two types of files allowed for upload: PDF associated with document files and MP4 for those video file requirements. The maximum size for these files is 500 megabytes. That's a pretty large size, but if you do have any files larger than that, you'll be expected to bring them down under 500 megabytes. We've also included a hyperlink, which will give you some tips and tricks on how to decrease your file size and also how to convert files to PDF or MP4. As far as naming conventions, you are welcome to name files to help you identify and associate for the particular parts. We do ask that you not include your name in that file name. So I'm going to go ahead and just upload some files and give you a look and feel for what that looks like. This is a PDF file, and you'll notice that there is an upload status bar. You can continue to upload files even while others are uploading. And I'm also going to show you if I have put in the wrong file type, what that looks like. Let's say I am uploading an image file for a video file, which should be MP4. It will tell you can only upload MP4. I'll also show you the error message that you will get if you have a file that is larger than 500 meg. It will tell you that the file exceeds the maximum size. And I am going to upload a video file. And you'll see that it is proceeding, and I can continue to upload as I mentioned earlier. And I'll pause here for one moment. Let's say that I have mistakenly uploaded the wrong file for a particular part. You are able to delete it by clicking on the red X. If you've decided, oh no, I do want that file, you can reinstate it by clicking the folder button, or you can choose the other file that you want to replace it with. The other thing is, if you want to review what file you have uploaded, you'll notice when you hover, you'll get an underline, and you can click on that, and it will download, and you can open it and re-review it, and you can, again, delete it and reload it if that was not the right file. The other thing that I'll mention is that you can navigate away from this page. You don't have to complete all of the files at one time. You can navigate away and it will retain those files. Additionally, if you log out and come back, if you go back to the button, click on that, you'll notice that it retains everything that you had in your last session. So I'm going to continue loading some files here, and then we're going to go to submission. When you have reviewed all your files, and I would impress upon you to go back and double check and re-review your files, because once you submit, it is final. You will not be able to view those files, nor will you be able to change those files. You'll notice here there's a disclosure statement. Please read that. And then once you're ready to submit, you will be asked to confirm and acknowledge that you won't be able to make changes once these have been submitted. So I'm going to go ahead and submit this portfolio, and it will take you back to your home page once you have submitted. And you'll notice that you'll have an update here congratulating you on a successful submission and letting you know that it'll be scored, and you will be notified by email on how to check your scores. If you need any type of verification, submission with any stakeholder, you can right click on that page and you are able to print it from there if you wanted to capture that. So that concludes our video on ePortfolio file upload and submission.